All right, so in example 7, do I have the log by itself?
No.
No. But I have log plus a log. Can I combine them?
Yes.
I can. So how can we combine two logs that have the same base? When they're being added, how do we combine them? What makes us add? Do you remember? Multiply. There we go. So this is the same thing as saying log of our first, the x, times the second one, which is the x minus 3. And then we still have our equals 1 over here. Now I'm just going to simplify what's in the parentheses here so we don't have parentheses and parentheses. So I'm going to distribute this x. And so I get the log of x squared minus 3x. Now do we have log by itself?
Yeah.
Yes. So what are we going to do?
Yeah. You're gonna put log 10 into your calculator.
No.
Yeah.
I'm not going to put it in my calculator. What am I going to do?
You're gonna definitely work it out.
Somebody help him.
You're gonna put it into the other form.
Yeah, put it in the other form. Put it in exponential form. So what is our base?
2.
What is our x?
X squared minus 2x.
3x? X squared minus 3x. Okay, and what is my y?
1. That's 1.
All right, so I'm going to come over here on the side. I'm going to set it up in exponential form. So b to the y equals x. All right, what is 10 to the first? Equals x squared minus 3x. Now, how do we solve an equation when we have x squared and x in it?
You divide by 3 first time.
No?
You do square root.
No?
Back to the x.
Yeah, I'm going to have to factor. But in order to factor, my equation has to be set equal to
0.
0. So we got to move that 10 over. Now, you remember your steps of factoring? What's our first step to factor? Yeah, greatest common factor. Does x squared, 3x, and 10 have a greatest common factor? No. What was our second step? Count the number of terms. How many terms are there? There's 3. So it's a trinomial, and we had 2 options, right? Simple or alien? Simple. So I'm going to do my 2 parentheses.
What multiplies into negative 10 but adds to negative 3?
All right, so I'm going to start off at the beginning, though. So what multiplies to give me x squared? X and x. And then remember the end numbers here come from the last, so they have to multiply to 10 and subtract to 3. 5 and 2, I put my bigger number first so I can bring down that first sign. Negative 5 times what kind of 2 gives me that negative 10 there at the end? All right, this was simple, so no alien to bring back. So bring down your equal 0.
It says equals 0, so you figure each one of them out.
All right, so set them both equal to 0 and solve. So x minus 5 equals 0. X plus 2 equals 0. So solve for x.
And then plug them in once you're done with them too.
All right, so I have 2 answers so far, 5 and negative 2. But did we have logarithms at the very beginning in our problem? Yeah, so we have to check it. So let's check. So I'm going to plug in the x equals 5. So it was log of x, which we said is 5, plus log of x minus 3, so 5 minus 3. Well, log of 5, is that okay? What's 5 minus 3?
2.
So can I take the log of 2?
I mean, if you want.
I can. So x equals 5 is one of our solutions. Now let's try the negative 2 when I plug it in. So log of x, which is negative 2, plus log of x, negative 2 minus 3. Can I take the log of negative 2? No. So I don't have to worry about checking the other. I found one that says no. So negative 2 is that extraneous solution. So our only solution then is x equals 5.